'Cause I didn't trust that game. I didn't trust that play. I didn't necessarily trust the companies I'd be investing in or agree with their politics or their positions. It just wasn't appealing to me. So being in mortgage for so long, it was kind of a natural lean to look into real estate investing. Jeff Chism, based out of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I have been originating mortgages, residential mortgages, since 2008. So if that year sounds familiar, it should. So depending on when you are listening to this podcast, we're in the middle of that a little bit right now. But what we'll find, what we'll learn, what we'll talk about is that's when investors like to buy, is during these types of markets. 100% of my clients are buying in the short-term rental, vacation home, lifestyle asset space. So that is all we deal with. How did I get in this space? My wife and I, our family, were in a position 6-7 years ago where we were beyond the ends meeting, and found ourselves in a place where we were very blessed and really wanted to be good stewards with those blessings. So, met with friends that had invested in the stock market. That whether it was I didn't trust that game, I didn't trust that play, I didn't necessarily trust the companies I'd be investing in or agree with their politics or their positions. It just wasn't appealing to me. So being in mortgage for so long, it was kind of a natural lean to look into real estate investing. And so started looking at buying an investment property, being a landlord, buying a rent house. So we stayed in one in Arkansas, loved it, and my wife and I were soon having conversations around, hey, maybe this is the avenue that we should go down. So the more that we talked about it, the more that we researched it, we found out about the cash flow from these properties, found out more specifics around the 10% down financing. That became a viable option that made a lot of sense from a cash outlay standpoint, and also the return. So the return showed to be very, very strong.